Kevin, it's the first Thursday night in the bucket in Woodridge. Asha, what do you got tonight?
What do I got
How's
tonight?
the vibe going? How did it start the
Delicious
summer?
food. I can't believe we're off to such a busy Thursday night already.
The first night and it's
Thursday
rocking this
night,
place. This
rocking.
place is rocking.
Yeah.
I'm standing here for 20 minutes. I couldn't get a hold of you because you just one after the next rocking out of you. Look at this menu over here. Tell me what you have over here.
Franks and Blanks.
Franks and
This is
Blanks.
just a small part of our chicken collection. Rice crispy
Nice.
chicken, pretzel, our famous poppers.
Shit.
Like,
Schleim. A kegel, of course, the salt
of
and
course,
pepper.
our
Kugel.
famous surprise chicken.
Surprise. What's in the surprise chicken?
That's the surprise.
It's a surprise.
That's the
Go
surprise.
figure.
Deli roll.
And Shraggy cutting the deli roll over there. Look at the klach. Look at the klach. Oh! Check it out. Check it out. That looks good. That looks good. That
What
looks
else?
good.
We have our barley
What else?
chones and
Barley chones. When you mix the chones, let me
Regular.
give a mix to the chones over here. Wow, cement. You look like a better.
This is just the start.
This is the
soft,
start.
Soft Thursday night
Soft Thursday
opening.
night opening.
Metzishem next
This
week.
is
Well,
soft.
this is soft.
Okay, here we have
Silicon
Uncle
Valley.
Moshe at the cashier. Are you related to the uncle from Paprika on Muncie?
No.
You know who I'm talking about?
Yassel.
Yassel, Uncle
Street.
Yassel. You look a little like Uncle Yassel from
We're
Paprika.
both happy people.
You're both happy people. Aschis is on ein Don. Anyway, this is the first Thursday night you open. What do you say? How's it doing?
Baruch Hashem, everything's great. And it's even better since you walked in here with the bright Schmeichel. Verstehst?
So if anybody comes in and they say they saw the Perlowitz show, they got a free bracelet,
A free bracelet, a free Tfilis Hadelig over there.
a free Tvilas Haderech over here, and free tunes. No, I'm just kidding. All right, Uncle Moish.
It's been a pleasure.
Been a pleasure. The bucket. Stopping over here. What's the exact address?
4 Green Avenue, Woodridge, New York.
4 Green Avenue, Woodridge, New York.
Correct.
Toimel tomorrow morning, da bin zusammen geht der Toimel, du? Nacht versteht sich, aber morgen doch sein Toimel.
Right
Ich habe
and early, verfrühstück. wie man
Right,
sagt.
nur verfrischt, kannst du tun verfrischt. Gevre, check it on. All right, Shraggy, what do you got here?
Filter fish.
Gefilte fish.
Grain.
With the grain.
Spicy hummus.
Spicy hummus.
We got garlic, roasted garlic.
Wow, let me see those fish bones you have over there. What are the fish bones over there? Cured fish. Cured. Let me see you seating outside.
The lights.
Wow, Keba. You have nice lights over here, nice
Yeah.
tables. It's a Thursday night
Yeah, I
vibe.
need to show you the seating next door.
Oh, you have more seating over here?
Yeah.
Check out this guy's seating here. No way. This is all part of the store?
All part of the store,
What are
yeah.
you talking about? So you're saying when it overflows there, you come in here.
Yeah, or you want more quiet.
More quiet, more peace, beautiful. Kevin, here we popped into the back kitchen where Moshe Hech.
Are you videoing this?
I'm videoing
I
this.
got my hands in the sourdough.
No, you can't make sourdough without your hands. It doesn't go.
The island doesn't know that.
Doesn't know that, Moshe. So 1 minute, this is a garlic sourdough?
Oh yeah. Not garlic, roasted garlic.
Roasted garlic sourdough. Okay, when I pause it, when I get a video of you redoing the next one. Look at this, look at this, look at this. On top goes some roasted garlics and it goes into the oven like that.
In the oven like that, so it's not gonna happen.
Okay, Kev, let's see how it starts. He grabs a big piece of dough, rolls it up, puts it on the scale. This is the famous Moshe Hech sourdough. Whoever didn't taste from it, didn't taste
You ever
sourdough.
tasted it?
I heard about it.
You heard about it.
I just heard about it. Look what's happening here. What is that? Salt? What is that? Flour? Rice flour. Okay, the secrets.
Nice and crunchy.
Oh man, Moshe, we don't hear you. Let's clip this on.
It's a nice
All right, the nice and crunchy. How much does it have to weigh?
2.83.
You put the garlic inside. Kevin, look at the garlic goes in the dough. Then he goes and covers it up. Covers it up.
And the rice is saran against the matzah.
See, look at that. Look at that. Kevin.
There's no, it's sticky dough. There's nothing you can do with it.
This is the deal. This is the deal.
This is the deal.
Goes in
You know,
there.
matzah done.
Wow. Look at it. Look at that avoid what goes in over here. Look at that avoid. Yossel, was lookst on zien. Chef's nachas. Moshe sourdough goes in over it. Boom. All right. Kevin, let's go back into the store. All right, we saw the sourdough making Moshe's famous Lakovit Shabbos Kodesh sourdough. The bucket, Kevin. Check it out in Woodridge. Open till very late at night. That's one thing I can say.